What's up guys, the Race here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are having a comparison between two Bluetooth speaker. On my left hand side we have a Transmart Element T6 Max, which is a very competitive price Bluetooth speaker for the output we are getting to. And on my left hand side we have a well-known JBL Extreme 2, which is a very expensive but output is fantastic, is sold by the name itself. Actually quality is good as well, I'm not denying that at all. But why not look into the options of having a competitive price Bluetooth speakers like Element T6 Max, which can match the sound quality of the JBL Extreme 2. So this video is completely a comparison actually between the sound performance of it, which will give you an idea that which one is better. Now just to start with, before I go ahead with anything else, I like to mention something very important about the Element T6 Max, that this Bluetooth speaker come with the 6 passive radiators and the 360-degree surround sound option too. So the speaker line drivers, one is right in the front of it, but another ones are on the back as well. So you have to remember that the sound which I'm recording on my microphone is the correct one. It could be more actually because it's covered with 360 degree. Whereas if you look into the JBL Extreme 2, so you got both line driver right in the front of it and 2 passive radiators side to side. So you're going to hear more out of this one definitely. But that's not the case of saying that Element T6 Max is performing lesser. And for the performance test, I'll be playing some royalty-free music from YouTube, which I have pre-selected myself. And every music has got a different categories in it of the instruments to give you an idea that how loud music it is and how bassy things can be. And I would highly recommend every one of you also use the earphones if possible to understand the nitty-gritty of sound quality. So let's not waste too much of time and straight away jump into the sound performance. I will also be playing exactly same track on both Bluetooth speaker with the same amount of volume set. Well, I hope I have provided enough information, but I have done a detailed video reviews on both of these Bluetooth speaker, Element T6 Max as well as on a JBL Extreme 2. Check those videos out in case you have any more queries about both of these Bluetooth speakers. And now if I have to conclude, I have to admit it for sure, that is definite guys, that the JBL Extreme 2 is a fantastic Bluetooth speaker. Everything is quite clear. You don't need to tweak anything other than or equalizer settings. We don't have it at all. Whereas on Element T6 you get the equalizer setting as well, which you can play with to set the sound quality which you would want to hear. Actually a little bit underperformed if I compare with the JBL Extreme 2, whereas you can buy 2 of these or 4 of these actually for the price of one Extreme 2 actually. So you can have 4 of them, connect them all together and enjoy the fantastic sound quality too if you want to that way. Now that will be completely all from my side. Thank you again for watching this video. If you still have any more questions about both of these Bluetooth speakers, do let me know in a comment section down below. See you then guys. Bye for now.